Parang si Google Maps, 'di ba? Kahit magkamali ka ng liko, kahit today is day 45 of my 100 days of consistency. And here's the exact quote you need to hear today. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. 2 days in a row na it's all about the failure. Na ini-encourage ko kayo na huwag niyong tignan yung failure as reason to stop. This is another day of me encouraging you na huwag kang susuko. Kahit mag-fail ka kasi it's part of the journey. Failure is part of success. For you to improve yourself. For you to find another way or path to your success. Kasi sabi ko nga, ang growth hindi naman yan linear eh. Talagang darating yung araw na talagang magda-down ka. Kasi nasagad mo na yung process mo. Na pagdating dun sa part na yun, hindi ka na natututo. Paulit-ulit na lang yung loop. So you're gonna find another reason to step up or another way para mag-grow ka. Parang ako, as a person, pag kami nagustuhan akong gawin, magagawa ko yun consistently for what? One week, 2 weeks, and then pagka nasanay na ako dun sa venture na yun, magde-decline na ako sa quality ko. Or worst case, hindi ko na siya itutuloy. Pero yun yung ini-improve ko ngayon. Kaya ako ginawa tong content na to. Today is day 45 na no 100 days of contents natin. At so far, hindi pa ako sumusuko. So far, kahit tinatamad ako, I am doing my best para labanan yung katamaran ko. Para makapag-record, para makapag-edit, para makapag-post. Kaya kahit mag-fail yung 10,000 ways mo para ma-achieve yung success, maybe the 10,001 will be your very first ever win na magdadala sa'yo sa tuktok ng buhay mo. Kasi nga, 'di ba, sabi ko before, wala namang overnight success. It's a compilation of day and night of effort and everything they did up to the point na naabot na nila yung threshold na okay na, tapos na. Successful ka na tomorrow. Ganun yun. Gaya nga nung fan ni Kuya Renan, it took them 9, 10 na businesses before mag-come up dun sa business model na meron sila ngayon. And kung sumuko sila, wala sila ngayon dun sa content ni Kuya Renan. But they did their best na kahit nagfe-fail sila ng sobrang dami sa oras, sa effort, even sa pera kasi business yun eh. They never give up. Up until nabot nila yung threshold na, ito pala yung tamang business para sa akin. And this will lead me to success. And they reach out to Kuya Renan and most likely, ang dami na nilang sold na products at baka sold out na sila. This is what this day all about. Try your best to find other way. Parang si Google Maps, 'di ba? Kahit magkamali ka ng liko, kahit bali-baliktarin mo man yung mapa, basta hindi mo ine-exit yung pin, i-reroute ka lang niya ng i-reroute. Gagawin niya yung lahat para mahanap yung best course para sa'yo kahit nagkamali ka ng liko. Kahit hindi mo sinusundan yung route na una niyang tinuro. Kaya ganun din sa buhay. Magkamali ka man ng paulit-ulit, don't stop. Just keep on trying to find the best route for you. And someday, you will become successful. And you will smile to your old self na, thank you, kasi you didn't give up. That's all for today. See you again tomorrow.